If you want to create your own app and launch it fast, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your app in Base44 and publish it step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a super simple way to turn a plain English idea into a working app without needing to code everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Base44 in your browser. Once you're on the platform, you'll see an AI prompt box where you can describe the app you want to build. This is the most important part of the process because the clearer you are, the better the app will turn out. In the prompt box, type your app idea in plain English. For example, if you want a task management app, you could say something like, create an app that lets users add tasks, mark them complete, organize them by category, and view upcoming deadlines. Keep it simple, but also make sure you explain what you want the app to do. After you type your prompt, click enter and let Base44 do the work. The AI will start building the front-end interface and the back-end logic for you automatically. That means it creates both the visual design users see and the functionality behind the scenes. Depending on your app idea, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to generate everything properly. While it builds, you can think about any extra features you may want to add later, like login pages, forms, dashboards, or settings. Once the app is generated, you'll be taken to the app editor. This is where you can review what the AI created and make any final adjustments if needed. Check the layout, check the buttons, and then make sure the app matches the idea you described. If everything looks good, look for the publish button in the editor. Clicking publish will deploy your app and make it live. This is the step that takes your app from a draft version to something that can actually be accessed and used. If you want to improve the result, you can always go back and refine your prompt with more details. The more specific you are, the more useful the app will be. For example, instead of just saying task app, you could say task management app with deadlines, priority labels, and a clean mobile-friendly layout. Small changes in your prompt can make a big difference in the final output, and that's it. You now know how to create your app in Base44 and launch it using the publish option. It really is that easy. Open Base44, describe your app in plain English, let the AI generate the front end and back end, then publish it from the editor. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.